Okay, I was able to get that loose, that Allen screw there with an Allen wrench. And then we got a little hole there that we will put a punch in there, and we will turn that locking collar that locks the bearing on to the shaft there, and turn that locking collar to the left, just like other things, lefty loosey, righty tighty. I got there's stuff in the way here. Try to move stuff around. I should have planned that out better. When they install that, they can install it either way for me to loosen up, either left or right. I'm going to go left because that's how I install them. Not the right tool, but we're going to try it.